Hello, my lovely people. You are welcome once again to my channel. This is still Asume's CORELDRAW tutorial, and I hope you are enjoying the video. Okay, please remember to subscribe and like the page. Yes, and also you hit the bell to get any new video I post. Okay, now today we'll be doing this on my wallpaper. Yes, we'll be doing these flowers with CORELDRAW. So without wasting much time, also let's begin. So we are going to be doing this. Yes, this is very easy. So we are going to be doing this. Okay, so before we do this, so let's put this one aside for let's see how this goes. Okay, always know that we are still learning how to use the shape tool. Okay, now this time around you'll be using the ellipse tool. So click on the ellipse tool, just draw a very nice oval shape. Okay, so this is an oval shape. Okay, so let's give that a color. That's black. Now come to the toolbar again. Now click on the transparency tool. Okay, now be at the middle of the oval and drag. Okay, so you'll be having something like this. Okay, okay, so I think that something like this is okay. Now let's duplicate this, copy. Okay, now you can right click on it and do that, the pasting outside. Okay, so we have two of this. Okay, okay, so yes, we have two. Okay, now after that, come to the property tool. We have mirror horizontally. Click on it and you're going to have something like this. Okay, let me go back again. After this, be sure you copy and paste. You have double of this. Okay, after getting a double of this, this is the property toolbar. Okay, you find a mirror horizontally, click on it and you have this. Okay, now the next thing is let's highlight the two. Okay, and group them. Let's group them. So control right click, you can see group object and group the object. You can also use the shortcut, that's Control plus G. Okay, it's the same thing. Now you have grouped them, so now you can, they are one. Okay, now the next thing to do is, okay, click on this twice for these arrows. Okay, so when you click on it once, you see this. Okay, but when it is twice, you see these arrows. So after these arrows, you can see something in the middle here. Okay, just bring your pointer and drag it to the down here. Yeah, the down here. Okay, all right. Now after, we also need a duplicate of this, that's double of this. Okay, now how do we double it once again? Okay, you can use the shortcut key, that's Control plus C. You have what? Copy, paste, Control plus V, you have paste. So you can have two here. Do you understand? Or if you are not familiar with the shortcut, just copy it this way, right click, okay, come here and paste it. It's the same thing. Okay, so after, okay, click on it twice for this arrow once again. Okay, Now be at one side. Okay, click and drag it. Okay, now you're going to have something like this. Very nice. Okay, now the same thing, I'm going to repeat the same thing. Okay, so after, just copy and paste this also. Okay, so let's copy and paste, so it is 2. Now click on it for the arrow once again, stand at one side and what, drag it. Okay, now the same thing, copy, paste and drag it. Okay, so whilst you are doing, you are positioning it. Okay, so the same thing, copy, paste, then we drag it. Okay, copy, paste, and then we drag it. Just take your time. Okay, copy, paste, and we drag it. Okay. Copy, paste, and we drag that. Copy, paste, and we drag it. Okay, copy, paste, and we drag it. I'm using the shortcuts. Copy, paste, we drag it. Copy, paste, and we drag that. So we are done. Okay, this is so nice. Okay, so after this, you only give it a color. Do you understand? Very easy. So the top here, okay, you need to give the top here color. Okay, so this is what, green. Okay, but before, let's start inside. Okay, now come to the toolbar and click on the smart fill tool. Okay, so just give the smart fill tool, click on the smart fill tool and give the inside a color. Okay, here. Okay, take your time, one after the other. Be a little more patient. Okay, give this a color. Right, this is not the color we want. Okay, so to go about this, okay, let's reselect all. Now to reselect all, okay, let's click and hold the shift key. You click and hold the shift key and you start what, to select all of this together. Okay, so after this, let's give it a yellow. Wow, that is nice. Okay, now let's come back to the smart fill and change the colors here again. Okay, so after you are done, okay, let's select all, shift and hold, select all together, and give that what's the color there, orange. Okay, now we can give our top here a color, So you can also select or shift down, then we select all and give that a green. Okay, so this is it. Okay, very easy. Okay, very easy. Now let's see how this is also done. Let's see this, how this is also done. Now with this we are going to be using the square. Okay, now with the square, I think we used this in our first video. So before you can shape this, you need to convert it to curve. So right click, convert to curve. Now come to the shape tool. Okay, now bring the arrows. As I said, if you want to join here together, you just click on one side and you'll be having something like this. Okay, so easy. Okay, so let's bring our ruler. Let's pull our rulers to guide us. I want us to have something equal. Now we want to shape here. So you click on it once. For this, you come to the property to convert to curve. Right? So we shape this like this. Good. Now after this, I need a duplicate of this. Okay, so we can just left click and drag, copy here. Okay, now let's size it. Now as I said earlier on, if you want to size this, we don't use the left, the right, left, top or down. Okay, we don't use the top, down, the right and left, but we use the corners, okay, to size. So after sizing, let's give that a black color. Okay, and put it in the middle of this, zoom it all. Alright, and extend it a little. Okay, alright. So after this, let's change this, the outline, and it is 0.5. Let's change it something like 3 so that it will be a little bit different. Okay, I think 4 will do. Okay, so we select the two. Okay, you group them. You can use the shortcut key, that's Ctrl+G, or you can right click. You see group object. Okay, the same thing. After, click on it twice. Okay, click on it twice for this same circle here. Now drag it down here. Drag this down here. Okay, and as we did this, before we can have a duplicate of this here, we need to copy. Okay, so we copy here, we paste. Okay, let's click for these arrows and we just drag it nice, very nice. So the same thing, copy, paste, we drag it. We have copy, paste. I'm using the shortcut key, that's Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, Ctrl+C, that's copy, Ctrl+V, paste. Okay, we drag that. So Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, copy and paste. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Okay, so we have a space here. It's up to you, okay, to shape it well. Okay, so let's drag it and open the spaces a little. That's why I said we need to be much or a little creative, so that when it doesn't go well, we can shape it ourselves. Okay, so where you think it has much, we'll just drag in. This is very easy. Please make sure you subscribe. Okay, so this is it. Also nice, isn't it easy? So with this we can group all. That's Ctrl+G, or this. Okay, they are grouped. Okay. So we are done. Let's create this for, as for the outline, and just and give that a black color. Come to the interactive tool, the interactive fill, click on it, come to the property, click on the fountain, and come to the elliptical fountain tool. Okay, so this, we're going to have this. So let's just stretch it. I don't want too much black, not white. Okay, so the more you stretch, the more you get this, that, or you get it this way. Very easy, right? So you put our logo inside. Okay, let's group it before. Okay, now as you can see, you see the flowers, or the flower has been, it has been behind it. Okay, now to change this, okay, I normally use, you can cut it. When you paste it, it will come, or you can come to the object, come to the order. We have the back to back of page to back of, okay, but I normally use the cut and paste. Okay, very easy, because sometimes I want it fast, right? So you can just place this here, very nice. Okay, then you can also have another box like this. That's how I did mine. Okay, you can change yours to any. Okay, this is it. Let me size it. Okay, so with this you are done. Okay, just write CORELDRAW, paste it somewhere here. As you can see, this one has also gone. Okay, cut it and what, paste. You understand? It's very easy. So please subscribe to my channel or my page, like and share also. Okay, so with this, I'm sure you are going to master the use of CORELDRAW. Okay, I'll be posting a new video, God willing, tomorrow, so kindly be active, or you can come back to the channel and watch it and learn. Okay, thank you so much for your time. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching today's tutorial.